spring going here just to show you. 205 is my first layer print, and this is for PETG. And then I'll bump it up to 220 once I get to maybe the second layer. Bed temp is 70, and at the moment I've just brought it down to 70%, and then I'll go to 100 once I go up that little bit higher. This is the outcome of the print, what you get. So it's quite good. I have a few machines, and what I've done is I've set up these two basically for 0.8 different nozzle sizes. I do large print like ports and that sort of stuff. That's my hobby, and for car audio and home audio, and so generally the parts that I'm making are quite large. So you know, the difference between this is a 0.8 print and that's like a 0.4. Very similar outcome still. The only difference is that you're waiting a whole lot more time. In this case, I used to wait for these, if I was to print one of these out, a good 3 days, and now I've got them down to a day. And that's still at that speed. I don't have to go any faster than that. That's first layer anyway, so that's at 70. But a little bit faster than that is more than enough. I do have smaller printers as well, which I use for more intricate parts. But generally with the things that I do have generally like 5 or 6 parts attached to the actual model, so I'll spread the load out. But 0.8 is a good nozzle size. I found 0.1 for these machines are maybe a little bit stretching, because they do get hot. What happens, the temperature and everything raises, and you start to get heat build up, you know, like a source that comes out of it. So keeping it at a low temp is a good idea, especially when you're printing for 4 days, you know. But the quality, guys, I guarantee you, I'm going to show you a video just now how I've set the settings for this, and the type of profiles you can get from Cura. So now I've bumped it up to 220 now, and back at 100% speed. That's the speed that I'm doing it at. And you can see here the print, quite clean. Beautiful first layer. And there are the settings. Well, that's finished printing. I'm going to pull it off now and just show you how well this should come off. There's a support area, and what I do is just clicks off. That's how easy it is. Just a bit of cleaning. That's it. Bit of grandma's hair. The quality. And you'll see how easy this comes off. I'll just get a little spatula. Leaving really hardly any marks. Bringing the temp up. Alright, so this is Cura. I'm just going to put that model that I had before that you just saw. So that's that model, and you'll see in Cura here it has actually a setting, it tells you what size nozzle. So if you come out, I've got a widescreen, sorry guys, I'll just pull it in. If you come out, you have a look that it has this pull down and allows you to choose the type of material you're going to use, as well as the actual nozzle size you're going to use as well. Now, to download Creality CR M4 in Cura, it doesn't exist, so you have to just download when you go into import printers, add printer, and you go into Creality, just import it as a 10. Let me just show you this. There are we, Creality 3D printers. Just bring it in as a CR10, which is the same head as what the M4 is using, but all you do is just change the bed size. So when I do add this in, like I will now, right, at the moment the bed size on this is I'm going to go back to the printer manager. Okay, manage settings, and you say it's 300, just change that to 470 or 450 by 450 by 470. And that's it. And regarding once you get it into the printer, let me go back to my settings. Okay, so now I'm back to where I am. You'll find at the top, the layer height, you'll find that it'll set it to a different height, which is like 3.2. This is what I've changed to 0.4. And the formula for that is, I'll have to find it, nozzle size diameter. Give me a second, I'll just get you that too. Okay, so it's called nozzle size diameter. Just look that up, it's very easy to find. And I'll just accept all these. And if you scroll down at the bottom, you see how it says it. So if you've got a nozzle size of see that? So 0.5, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8. These are the minimum layer heights and the maximum layer heights. So if you notice, I've gone here at 0.4, okay, for a 0.8. I'm using this formula right here. And as you can see, the printers are working beautifully. So Cura sets the rest of the parameters quite well, but the layer width is where you're just coming along and change it. Cheers.